Do you have the Wii system? Are these steel tips?
Yeah, like
how much is that?
Oh, Jesus.
Morning.
What's up, man? We GoProing?
I do. I film my finds at yard sales.
Like that. What's his name? Eddie V or whatever that guy's name?
Gary V.
I hate that guy.
I know Gary Vaynerchuk. He's a friend of yours, right?
I hate him.
Do you?
No, I watch him on you. I'm like, that never works.
I know.
For me,
Yeah.
sure it works for other people.
How much are the
Right,
hats?
what are you going to do with that, Jeff?
Everything's $1.
And then
With
Josh.
that guy.
Close,
What are you going to do with that guy?
I'm gonna put him in my office.
You're my hero.
Do you have any more video game stuff?
No.
Right.
No.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Pay the man. Let's
Pay the
go. Pay the
man.
woman.
What's that, Jackson?
How much is this?
I don't know how much you got going on there.
I have-
How much do you owe me so far?
I don't know. We have to add it up. There's a lot of stuff here.
How much is that guy? Why are you paying him?
I love him. 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6. Here, I got 6.
Oh,
5 hats and the controller.
perfect.
Yeah, we'll go 17 burgers.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Perfect.
What is this?
When you guys do go to yard sales, if they have a free box, make sure you don't pass it up. You can find a lot of items in free boxes to actually flip for a profit. We found this giant horse. I don't know anything about it. So if you guys do know something about it, let me know down in the comments, but it looks pretty interesting and I think we can flip this for a profit.
Hello. Do you have the Wii system? Did you do a deal for the whole box? Oh, that fell out.
How much do you think?
15? Oh, do you have 5? Are these steel tips?
Yeah.
How much you asking for those?
60.
60. May I have some lemonade?
Which one?
Strawberry.
You ask if you want ice with it.
You want ice?
Sure, thank you.
Grab it out of there. Don't use your hands. The things are at the school.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Starting to feel that heat.
I know, tell me about it.
It was nice at 8 o'clock this morning.
Are you guys doing is it a community yard sale today?
Yeah, our neighbor, he rode around earlier. There wasn't a whole lot of people, but
This is cool.
isn't that cool?
How much is a hat?
It's $1.
Okay. Can't pass that up. I must have had one of these back in the day.
Is it one of my spoons? Probably. That's hilarious.
Look at the hat. Hello.
Hi. There are sometimes I can sit on the lanai as long as the wind's long.
When you are at garage sales, keep an eye out for books with the same title or same author, especially books from the 80s and 90s that came from Scholastic. If you guys remember, when you were in school, your school sent you to a book fair where you had to buy books, and a lot of those have nostalgic value, and they do really well on eBay.
How much you asking for your books?
I'm sorry?
How much you asking for your books?
$5 for $1.
5 for the. How much for the whole tote?
I haven't thought about that. $5?
$5? Okay. Does it come with the tote? Or do you need your tote back?
I'm gonna take the tote.
Okay. Do you have bags or something if I want to put it in?
I can, yes, I can, yes.
Oh, Jesus. Does the camera work?
Yeah.
So I have to buy it now since I dropped it.
No,
No, I'll buy it. How much are CDs?
50 cents.
What's the backstory on this?
Mandolin?
Yeah.
I bought it from a flea market for $100, and I only played it a few times, but
No issues with it or anything?
no, it worked well.
I was trying to see. I was trying to look up, getting like information on it, on the model and stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
Do you have any more cassette tapes?
No, those are the only ones.
Okay. I love Pearl Jam.
That one's Papa Roach.
Yeah. Oh, the other one's Pearl Jam.
Yeah.
10, such a good album. Do you have any other video game stuff, or is this it?
I think that's it. Yeah.
I got 5 CDs and 4 cassette tapes, and then the Insta camera. Would you do 20 on the mandolin?
Yeah.
Okay. So 25, and you said these are, how much are these a piece?
Same 50 cents.
50 cents, okay. So 9, so 450. So you just give you 30.
Want me to grab a brush again?
Please, thank you. Do you have change for 10? Do you have a 10?
Yes.
Don't you have in the perfume?
They're all kind of halfway,
Yeah, they're half full.
so I would say like $1 each.
It could be $1 each one. What do we have over here?
The one on the left is an archery bow. It's compound. And then
We're from northern Kentucky.
Yeah.
Archery was
Oh yeah. I'm from Pennsylvania, so that's why.
it. Okay.
Yeah, it's big up there too. All my uncles and
So that was the standard high school,
yeah.
middle school.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Been busy so far today?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Started off slow, but it's kind of picked up.
Get any more video game stuff?
I'm sorry, what was it?
Get any more video game stuff? I saw the figures in here.
No. It's really about it, honestly. We don't, not too much.
What is this? That's funny. Yeah.
You'll get a kick out of this one right here. Check that out. Yeah, well,
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
New crate.
Huh?
So the
Yeah,
new
yeah,
crate. Yeah,
exactly.
there's a cool. Would you take 5 for those? You have 7. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that it then? No other figures like that? This alien peeing on the fire hydrant is the funniest thing ever. I was gonna leave and I came back. I was like, all right, I'm gonna grab him. Because I would have been like driving down the road. I'm like, damn it, why didn't I buy that? How much are the perfumes?
$10 each or
2 for 25. Okay.
I bought it in 2009. Let us clean it. They changed the cabin filter, cleaned it professionally, put a bleach bomb inside of it. It lasted for like a week. It started.
I can't have.
You
You told me hot. I didn't think you could burn my throat out.
And they're like,
How much is that?
That's $10.
They
$10.
kept insisting on cleaning it and drug it out to the point where they're like,
You take 5 for it?
can't do anything.
No.
Sorry. And so I threw a huge fit, and basically they gave me a 21.
It is. So the big stain across.
For the same.
What happened?
There's a stain on the picture.
For that, oh my god, I would have been mad. They definitely tried
Yeah.
to ruin me. And the guy,
If it didn't have the stain, I'd definitely give you the $10 for it.
they do, but that's one of the things that they avoided by dragging
Okay.
it out. They just kept saying,
Maybe
"Oh,
just
let us
on the
clean
glass,
it."
though.
I don't think so.
You take it off and,
Yeah, you can't take that off. That's
sure you can.
well, you can, but then you're gonna damage the originality of it.
Yeah.
It is all bad. I don't want it. And they were pretty upset. I was there for a very long time, but I finally.
It's a cool picture.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you. I like anytime I find these old photos out and about, pick them up when I can. When you're out and about and you come across these old Victorian style photos from the late 1800s, early 1900s, pick them up. The smaller, the better. They actually sell really well on eBay. This one I normally would have gave the $10 right away for, but they had a water stain on the bottom of it, so I took a chance. We actually sold this for $80 to a bar in New York. They actually do a big Halloween themed party up there, and I think they're going to use it for that.
Really? Yeah.
John Wayne. Those John Wayne dolls are cool.
Yeah.
How much are those?
Those are my dad's. What do you want for the John Wayne doll?
75 for the pair.
And they're cool.
Yep.
They're definitely cool little pieces. How much is King Kong? A buck? All right, I'll do that for a buck. That's super cool. Could be a buck for that. Thank you. And then the old John Wayne photos over there. What are you asking for those?
The big one or the two smaller ones?
What I mean, yeah. What do you have on each of them?
Oh. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Probably get to 65 on the pair.
Okay.
I think this one's worth like $150 alone.
Really?
Yeah. When I Googled it.
Mm-hmm. Was that listed price or is that actually sold price?
Oh, that's what they're asking.
Asking for it. I gotcha.
But that one in the back is like 200 to 250.
Yeah. So one of the yard sales that we went to, we did come across all these little toys. I do love toys, especially anything video game related or horror movie related. So we got this Deadpool. I'm a huge Marvel fan, so this Deadpool figure is really cool for a buck. Actually, I think I paid $5 for everything here. This figure right here from Rick and Morty. We have this alien figure where it's literally going through someone's chest, which is super cool. And then this Sonic Rings figure. And this is here probably my favorite. This is an alien figure with him walking his pet, peeing on a fire hydrant. Yeah, I think I can get probably 15-20 bucks for this. So I think we paid $5 for all that. And then the other yard sale we went to is, I did get this picture. I'm trying to pick up a little bit more antique stuff. This had a stain on it. I did offer her $5 for it and she ended up taking it then, but I think we should probably get maybe 20-30 bucks for this. It's a cool little painting. It's easy to ship. Please make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out this next video here we're gonna put up of us going out hunting for some more good items. Until next time,